Hello everyone, I am CA Farooq Haq, CEO of Taxology.com. And as you have been participating in our previous webinars, which we are having for last 6 months, you must know that we talk about business, we talk about growth, and we are going to have a very special webinar coming up on 5th of June for all of you who are entrepreneurs. So if you are an entrepreneur, and you see your potential at say 100 crores, but you feel that you are stuck somewhere at 30 crores. Do you feel like that anytime? If you feel so, then this webinar is for you. Because in this webinar, we are having an extremely professional panel of experts coming to us from growth experts. They are a team of professionals from all different domains of business, and they are going to tell us everything about business and how to unstuck yourself and accelerate your growth. So hi, the panel of growth experts. I'll invite Neetu Bansal and Sriram and Anup today. And Neetu, tell us more about it, that what you guys do and how it benefits people, how it benefits the entrepreneurs to unstuck and to grow rapidly.
Thank you, Farooq. Thank you, first of all, for giving us this opportunity. So, hi, I am Neetu Bansal, and I have about 2 to 3 decades of experience as a business owner, specializing in sales and marketing. And that's what I work with when I'm with my coaches. I'll focus on understanding the reason the revenue growth is stunted in an organization. So I'm looking at how we can improve the revenues through increasing the number of transactions that happen, to increasing the number of leads that come into the organization, to increasing the number of conversions that happen within an organization. And all of this is seen through the customer's perspective. And that's an interesting part because a lot of gaps which our organizations are unaware of are actually exposed when we do this. A 100 crore company stuck in a 30 crore body. Quite a strong, powerful statement, right? Let's take the analogy of a sports person, a very favorite Virat Kohli, right? He's equal to a business, okay? And for him to be the way he is right now, the superpower when it comes to cricket in the cricketing world, he needs a lot of help and coaching and mentoring from different specialists. You have you have a coach who works on his batting techniques. You've got a nutrition that takes care of his health. You have a physiotherapist who takes care of another aspect of him. You have a strength builder, core strength builder, etc. Right? So he is trained and mentored and coached by different coaches who come in with their area of specialization. Now take this whole situation into the business world. As a business owner, okay, you benefit with multiple people who have specialization in specific areas, be it HR, finance, sales, marketing, operations, etc. And that is what the growth experts panel actually takes care. All of us, each of us rather, has an expertise in one specific function, and we work with business owners to help them identify the cause for being stuck at a particular level and not able to grow beyond that.
Hi, thanks Farooq. I'm Sriram. I'm a finance professional with about 27 years of experience. I have been an ex-banker and have managed businesses in terms of being an investor in startups, as well as running those businesses. Most businesses, if you will understand, focus on sales, giving up a lot of attention in not following up and looking at cash flow management. Typically, 9 out of 10 startups statistics go to show that, and anywhere between 5 and 6 small and medium enterprises, which follow in the next few years, fail because they don't address cash flow issues. In the seminar that we are going to be talking, my area of expertise will be in finance, where I'll be talking about financial compliances, which will help streamline your cash flows, give you visibility in terms of how to improve your bottom line, remove unnecessary costs, and at the same time, to grow, you need money. I will be discussing more on fundraise in terms of both loans, which is debt, and equity, depending on how we can structure it. My topic will focus on those things for about 5 minutes. I hope you'll enjoy it.
Wonderful. It will be a good session hearing you, Shriram. And Anup, can you introduce yourself and tell us about what you do?
Hi, Farooq. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. I'm Anup Kurup. I'm a marketing professional with about 17 years of experience. I primarily deal with B2B businesses, and I utilize a lot of modern technology and cutting edge strategies to help marketing implementation, not just strategy, but actually implementing and getting results. That's the focus. One of the things that I struggle with nowadays, especially when business growth is concerned, is everybody knows marketing, or apparently everybody knows digital marketing, right? It's so prevalent today. Even very young kids are getting into marketing today, which is a good thing. But business growth has multiple levers. Like Neetu was saying, even a cricketer requires multiple people to come in and help them. When it comes to marketing, it's not just about tools or techniques or creativity, but it's also a lot more about the customer. Something as simple as knowing that your customer is not available on email, but is available on WhatsApp can change how you function, what you do, what type of messages, what type of creatives you create, right? Where do you invest your money? So I look at marketing as another business function with a lot of investments and expectation of returns. Therefore, the techniques, the strategy, the tactics you use have to comply with what your customer is looking for. Also, should come within budget. Infinite budgets are always great, but that's not the reality. So during the webinar, I'll be talking about such a case where a customer wanted to expand into certain parts of India and how the limitations drove the marketing into certain directions and how some creative techniques were used in that area. Looking forward to that webinar, Farooq.
Yeah, wonderful, Anup. And looking forward to hosting all of you and learning a lot from all you guys. And I also came to know that you guys have some very special offer for the industrialists, for the startup guys who are out there in this webinar, who will be hearing us in the webinar, will be attending it. So Neetu, you want to tell us about it?
Sure, I would love to do that. So like I said, we realize that each of the business needs multiple consultants or multiple areas of specialization to grow beyond the 30 crore into the 100 crore body that they have, right? So we thought that we should, keeping that in mind, we should have something that for all our participants who are coming to the webinar, we should give them something which is related to that. So it's a surprise what we're going to be doing. But just for now, what I would like to share is that the word of the giveaway, and one business who's going to be a part of this webinar will actually get this. The value of that is about 10 lakhs.
Wow.
Right. And so I'm not going to say more. We'll have the details during the webinar, and I look forward and I hope that's something all the participants will benefit from.
Exactly. Thank you very much, Neetu. And thanks all of you. And for all of you guys who are hearing this today, I would like you to register yourself for the webinar. It's the registration link you will find in the comments below. And one more point I want to add at the end, that normally you would have attended a lot of webinars. Some webinar would focus on marketing side, someone on finance and some other functions of the business. But this is one webinar where these guys will be dealing with all the aspects, all the functions of the business at one place, at one time. So this is going to be an amazing program, an amazing learning experience for all of us who are entrepreneurs. So I welcome you all. I invite you all in the webinar on 5th of June. Register now.